Hey, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. I am Kimmy, and today I am menu planning. So I'm menu planning today, and I thought I would take you guys along with me. I want to show you the insane amount of cookbooks I have. Check this out. And I have whittled through these and given a lot away. I have binders full of recipes, folders filled with recipes, and you guys, I got some vintage cookbooks that I'm so excited to show you. But you're gonna have to wait for it. That's coming. I have a really fun series I'm gonna be doing starting in January, and I'm gonna take you along with me, but you're gonna have to wait. So, meal plan with me today. I've already started the process. Let me show you what I got. Okay, sorry for the way that I look. I look a little scary. I have no makeup on because I just don't feel good today. I had to, Shaylee came home from school sick the other day, and today Boston came home from school sick. So no surprise that I'm feeling a little icky. So I'm sitting here meal planning. Okay, so, and of course I have a pick-me-up to help me. Hello. Okay, and you guys have seen this. I've shown it before in another meal planning vlog. This is a calendar, and I just got it from the Dollar Tree, and I just mark what I'm having for dinner that night. Like after we've had it, I write it in because I don't want to have to keep erasing this. This calendar here is just for me to look back on and see what we've already eaten for the month, so we don't do a lot of repeats, or I don't know. Or if I need meal planning ideas, I could look back on the months and see what we've had. So this is what we've had this week. We had ham on Sunday. The kids had pizza on Monday, and Derek and I had Red Robin because we went on a date. Callie made split pea soup. Yesterday I had Bruschetta Chicken. Oh my gosh, you guys have been asking me about that spice that I got from Costco yesterday. It's insanely good. Take a look. Baked up some of the bone-in chicken thighs from Costco with the bruschetta seasoning that I also got from Costco, which looks like this. I baked up some sweet potatoes with some cinnamon and a little bit of butter, and sauteed up some vegetables. We have mushrooms, zucchini, yellow squash, sauteed with a little bit of coconut oil, garlic, salt, and thyme. And that is what we're having for dinner tonight. So that was delicious. And tonight we're having Crock-Pot chicken fajitas. They're already in the Crock-Pot. So after we have the meal, it goes in here just to so I can see what we have. I don't have my whiteboard out. It's in the office, but I have a whiteboard. I'll link a video from the last time I showed you how I menu plan. I need to go get my whiteboard, but when I figure out what I'm having for the week, I write it on the whiteboard and I just keep it over there by the homework station. So you've seen my Costco haul, and you've seen my little grocery shopping haul already this week. We have a lot of food in the house. And someone asked me about our cow. I have like a quarter of a cow, I think we did this year. Usually we do a third. I think this year was a quarter of a cow in our freezer downstairs. We go in with the family. I think next year we're gonna go in for like a cow and a half. I think that's what we're gonna, because our family's growing. So in my freezer downstairs, I have roasts, tons of 1 pound of ground beef, steak, beef stew meat. Yeah, we have a lot of cow down in our freezer, and so I use that with meal planning. And yeah, we're stocked, as you guys have seen. I've got food, we're good. So what I'm doing now is I've been sitting here making a list of what I can make for dinners and side dishes. So for the next like couple weeks, or till the month's end, basically. So meatloaf, corn chowder, I have bacon, I have everything for it. Crock-Pot chicken fajitas, I have one in there now, and I have enough to do 2. Italian meal, that is what we're gonna have on Christmas Day. Chicken with mushrooms, I have shown you this recipe, click on the link. Balsamic roasted carrots, I believe I showed you that, click on the link. Baked garlic Parmesan chicken, I believe I showed you that, click on the link. stuffed twice baked sweet potatoes, tortilla pizza for the kids, tater tot casserole. The link is for, I have that for you as well. Layered lettuce salad, I have a video on that as well. I'm going to make it a little bit different. I'm going to add that pineapple bacon sausage that you guys saw from my Costco haul to that with fresh bacon if we don't eat it before then. But if not, I do have a shopping list for some of my recipes that I need a little bit more ingredients for that I can shop during the month. So I did put more bacon on my list, I think, or I will. Okay, let's see. I have beef stew. I have a link to that. Jana's roast. Oh, I love it. Jana's roast, I showed in a vlog a few days ago. You put chuck roast works really good because it shreds easily, and you add to a half cup of water, you add a packet of Italian seasoning, like Italian dressing seasoning, a packet of buttermilk ranch packet, and beef gravy packet. Flavorful chicken thighs, and I put which cookbook it's from, so I know. And that recipe is from this cookbook here. Brunch casserole for Christmas morning, avocado chicken enchiladas. I did a video for that for you, and I believe I did a video for the brunch casserole, so look for the links. Steak salad, and I'm still going. I'm still finding meals that I can make with all the food that's in my house. So like I said, I'm just making a shopping list of just a few ingredients that I need along the way. I have some chicken breast, but I'm close to being out. So I'm sure by the end of the month, I'm going to need some of that. And I'm also starting a list of freezer meals as well. And I have one of my favorite freezer meal cookbooks here. This is a good one. Dinner is ready. And then I have all my recipes for freezer meals that I want to do in the next little while. And when I do that, of course, I'm going to take you along with me. So hold on. That's a coming. And so I've got, and I'm going to put this in its own folder. And here's the recipes that I have for until the month's over. I keep them all together in a folder as well, so I don't have to keep looking through all my cookbooks and my binder where I keep my recipes. Just everything is together. For me and how my brain works, that works perfect. So, yeah. I grabbed some recipes from the Food Nanny, Rescue Dinner again, and her first one, Rescue Dinner. I love her food. It's so good, so practical. She's amazing on teaching you how to meal plan, so go check her out. Her name is Liz Edmonds, the Food Nanny, and she is amazing. I've shared quite a few of her recipes. She gave me permission, which I'm so thankful for. I met her. She's a doll. So that's what I'm doing. I have a list of meals and a shopping list and freezer meals to go along with it. I just like to keep it as organized as I possibly can. Everything together because I lose things consistently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab my whiteboard and I'm going to mark down for next week the meals that I want to have, and based off of my list here. So I'm going to look at our schedule and then write them on the whiteboard. Okay, I've already went through my Erin Condren planner. I know what our schedules look like, and I'm just going to start writing down meals. I'm starting with tomorrow, the 11th, and going all the way till Thursday, and then I can erase this and rewrite it during the week if needed. So with everyone not feeling well, I think I'm going to make beef stew, and I will bake some rolls. And of course I'll take you, well, maybe I'll take you along. We'll see what tomorrow brings. But so I know tonight I got to get the beef stew meat out of the freezer. I'm going to make a layered lettuce salad. And then that way there'll be a ton of leftovers, so we can have the layered lettuce salad after church for lunch, and then for dinner on Sunday we'll have steak. I want to have steak salad, but maybe we could combine the two But there'll be a lot of leftovers, so if the kids want that for lunch, that's fine. But if not, that's not a big deal. That's an option. If Derek wants the steak salad for dinner that day, great. If not, I don't stick to this because maybe Monday we want the steak salad. So I just write it. It doesn't mean that I have to have these meals on that day. Okay, so Monday I'm shooting for the avocado enchiladas, chicken enchiladas. So I have that. Let's see, Tuesday. We have a lot going on Tuesday. I really want a, I should probably do a Crock-Pot meal. Wednesday night, we have a doctor's appointment. It'd be nice if it was done before then. I think I'm gonna shoot for the tater tot casserole. I'll just bake it before I get the kids from school and it'll be all done. All the kids have to do is heat it up and then Dad will be home. I think that's probably what I'm gonna do. Tuesday, I really want a Crock-Pot meal because of the crazy night that we have on Tuesdays. So let's see here. How about we do the flavorful chicken thighs. It's a Crock-Pot meal. I'm excited to show you the guys this one. So I'll do that. And let's see, we have Thursday left. This could be a leftover meal. And if not, then I'll make corn chowder. So this is subject to change, but at least I have a game plan and I know what meals I will make. So I'm sure in the middle of the week I'll end up erasing this and making it look different. But this is what this week so far is going to somewhat be. So we'll see. You never know. Because Derek and I might decide to go out Christmas shopping one of these nights. And the kids might have the dinner. Derek and I might not. So you never know. But that is my game plan for the week. And I feel good that I have a game plan.
Mommy?
Whatty?
Where's Boston?
Boston's downstairs.
I want to get him.
Okay, bye. I love you so much. Okay, so when I am done making a meal, of course it will add it to this book so I know what we have eaten. So, okay, that is my week. I have got all of my recipes for the month that I want to make. It's going in its own little folder, which is over here, and put it back in the cupboard. So this is my game plan. I am planning out my freezer meals. I'm going to do a separate video for you, but that is what this week looks like, guys. So thanks for joining me. I gotta go get the rest of the kids from school now. I'm actually late picking them up, but
I want to see them.
want to say goodbye?
Bye. We got a Christmas tree.
We do.
We got big sock, big sock. We got lights, we got balls.
I love you.
I'm
sorry. Oh. Okay, why don't you go get your coat on? All right, gotta go get the kids from school, but that is me meal planning today. Thanks for joining me. I'm gonna go get the kids, come home, pick up this mess, and then, I don't know, be with the kids. All right, thanks for joining me. Let me know, what do you guys have on your menu plan for this week? Maybe leave that below. I'd love to know, what are you planning? Hey, you never know, I might add it to my menu. Okay, thanks for joining me, you guys. We'll see ya. Bye.